This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open the box and confirm the contents before powering the headphones. Inspect for a USB-C cable, spare ear tips, and carrying case. Plug the USB-C cable into the port to begin charging immediately. Charge the headphones for 3-5 hours before first use to reach full battery. During charging, the LED will flash red and turn solid when complete. Keep the headphones on a flat surface while charging to avoid cable strain and damage. Power the headphones on by holding the power button for 2 seconds. To enter pairing mode, hold the power button for 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue and red. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone and select the Hama device name shown in the list. Allow up to 10 seconds for the connection to complete and accept any pairing prompts. Once paired, the LED will blink slowly and audio will route through the headphones automatically. Learn the control scheme to manage audio and calls quickly while wearing the headphones. Use short presses for play and pause, double tap to skip tracks, and long press 2 seconds to activate your voice assistant. Adjust volume with dedicated plus and buttons and answer calls with the multi-function key. To reset the headphones and clear pairings, hold power and volume down for 10 seconds until the LED flashes. Clean ear tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.